How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to make the narcissist obsessed with you, find you irresistible, and chase after you every day. That's the title of this video. Now, to make a narcissist obsessed with you, find you irresistible, chase after you every day, number one, you need to start by understanding narcissism. Narcissists are people with a personality disorder that often includes a need for constant admiration, a lack of empathy, and an inflated sense of self-importance. Narcissists often seek out validation from others to feel superior. This can make them seem charming or irresistible at first. However, maintaining this connection can be unhealthy, and it is important to understand the narcissist's behavior before taking any action. The appeal of narcissists. In the early stages of interaction with a narcissist, they can be very, very magnetic, very attractive. They know how to make others feel special, and their charisma can create a sense of attraction. However, this is usually a tactic the narcissists use to keep people around for their own benefit. Narcissists often focus on the appearance of success and charm to manipulate others into admiring them. Narcissists love to feel admired, so they are likely to respond to compliments and flattery. However, if you use excessive flattery in an attempt to gain the narcissist's affection, it could backfire. Narcissists are aware of manipulative tactics, and they may dismiss you if they feel you're trying to gain their approval for selfish reasons. Narcissists tend to be attracted to people who are not immediately available or eager to please them. If you appear slightly elusive, the narcissist may perceive you as someone with higher value. However, it is important to maintain your own sense of independence rather than using this tactic solely for their attention. Narcissists crave attention and validation by not always responding to their needs immediately or being emotionally available on demand. They may start to chase after your approval. However, it's very important not to manipulate the situation excessively, because this can lead to unhealthy dynamics. Narcissists are drawn to people who exude confidence and self-assuredness. If you project an image of someone who is secure in themselves and someone who doesn't seek their validation, they may find you more intriguing and they may be drawn to you. Confidence, however, should come from a genuine place, not just as a tactic to gain their attention. Narcissists can be obsessed with uncovering the mystery of others. If you don't reveal anything or everything about yourself right away, they may find you irresistible because you're not giving them all the answers. The key is to share things gradually and avoid oversharing to keep their interest piqued. Remember to always maintain mystery. To make a narcissist obsessed with you and find you irresistible, challenge their ego. Sometimes narcissists are attracted to people who challenge their inflated self-image. If you can subtly question their beliefs or assert your own opinions without directly confronting them, they may become more intrigued by you. However, this tactic can backfire, so it's important to approach this with caution. Also, try to set boundaries to make the narcissist obsessed with you. Narcissists disregard others' boundaries, seeing them as weak or malleable. If you stand firm in your boundaries and refuse to tolerate their manipulative behavior, they may start to chase after you. However, setting clear boundaries should come from a place of self-respect, not as a form of control. To make the narcissist obsessed with you and find you irresistible, be in control of your emotions. Narcissists often feed off the emotions of others. If you can remain calm and composed when dealing with a narcissist, they may find you more difficult to manipulate. Not giving them emotional reactions might cause them to respect you or become more fixated on you. Narcissists enjoy dominance and control in their relationships. If you subtly engage in power struggles or challenge their authority in a way that's respectful but assertive, they might become obsessed with winning you over. However, this can lead to toxic power plays, so it should be approached with caution. To make the narcissist obsessed with you and find you irresistible, keep them on their toes. Narcissists love the thrill of the chase. If you are unpredictable in your responses and if you don't allow them to control the situation entirely, they may start pursuing you more intensely. However, this should be done in moderation and with a focus on ensuring the relationship is healthy. Avoid excessive validation. Narcissists thrive on constant validation. If you avoid showering them with excessive praise and admiration, they may start pursuing you more actively. They may want to feel needed and superior. So, withholding constant flattery can be a way to make them work for your attention. To make a narcissist obsessed with you and find you irresistible, to respect you, create emotional drama. While this isn't recommended as a healthy approach, some individuals try to create emotional drama or conflict to keep a narcissist's attention. If you are intentionally difficult or make the relationship tumultuous, you may increase their desire to fix the situation. However, this is an unhealthy strategy and it can lead to emotional harm. Be unavailable when needed. Narcissists can't handle being ignored. So if you deliberately withhold attention when they demand it, they might find you irresistible because they feel rejected. However, it's essential to maintain your own sense of worth and not manipulate the narcissist for your own satisfaction. If you want to make the narcissist obsessed with you, focus on your own success. Narcissists are attracted to people who have their own accomplishments and success. So if you're constantly evolving and pursuing your own goals, the narcissist may become more interested in you as they view you as a valuable and successful individual. Be mindful to share your success authentically rather than as a tactic for attention. Narcissists often respect people who are strong leaders and people who demonstrate competence in various areas. So if you assert your leadership qualities in a way that is authentic to you, a narcissist might find you irresistible because they respect your strength and control. Narcissists seek people who are emotionally dependent on them so they can maintain control. So, to make them obsessed with you, maintain emotional independence. By remaining emotionally independent and not relying on the narcissist for validation, you might pique their interest. However, maintaining independence should come from a place of self-respect, not as a manipulation strategy. To make the narcissist obsessed with you, to find you irresistible, reflect their behavior. Narcissists are mirror people. They reflect what they see in others. If you can mirror their behavior to some extent, they may feel more drawn to you. However, this should be done authentically rather than as a ploy for manipulation. To make the narcissist obsessed with you, find you irresistible, recognize the risks. While it may seem tempting to make a narcissist chase you or obsess over you, it's important to understand that narcissistic relationships can be emotionally damaging. Always prioritize your emotional health and well-being over trying to gain their affection. Because relationships with narcissists tend to be unsustainable and can lead to manipulation and emotional harm. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video widely.